Hey, in front of me is OPPO RENO 5Z, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. First of all, select an app like Play Store and click on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Win. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window over here. In order to make it bigger, just click on it. If you wish to move it around, just hold this line and drag it. You can make it full size by clicking on the top left corner of it, or close it by clicking on the top right one. You can always turn it into a smaller window as well by choosing Home button. If you wish to use it to overlay the other app, just select the other one and operate in both. You can also close this app by clicking on this button with 3 lines again and swiping it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!